Hi children, here I am going to explain you one more biomedical technique, that is EEG. EEG is called as electroencephalography. This records and study of electrical activity of the brain. Here we are studying the electrical activity of brain. In ECG, we studied about the electrical activity of heart, isn't it? Okay, this graphical record is called as electroencephalogram. This possesses a graphical representation. This EEG possesses a machine and electrodes. These electrodes are placed on different areas of scalp and possess the information. The information is recorded as the activity of neurons. That is, number of innumerable neurons are present in brain. Those activity is recorded as the electroencephalogram. This is the best tool to recognize or to diagnose the neurological disorders, sleep disorders, that is insomnia, epilepsy, that is seizures, coma, brain death, etc. and the necessary treatment is given accordingly. Okay, here we have to understand how the EEG is observed or studied. Here waves of EEG are studied particularly. What are the waves present in them? Here two waves are there, synchronized waves, desynchronized waves. Synchronized waves are the regular pattern of waves. They are present common in normal healthy persons. Desynchronized waves are present in irregular manner. So this irregular pattern of waves leads to disorders. Those irregular wave pattern will be observed in the following waves: alpha waves, beta waves, delta waves and theta waves. How the differ will study here. Here we observe the alpha waves. They are rhythmical and they lie between 8 to 13 cycles per second. These are observed in the persons who are drowsy or sleepy. If you observe beta waves, they have high frequency and they lie between 13 to 40 cycles per second. The amplitude of these waves is very low. These are observed in the persons who are mentally active and tense. Then delta waves, these waves have low frequency and forms 3 cycles per second, and these waves have high amplitude, very common in early childhood condition when they are awakened condition, but occurs in adults in the deep sleep only. In the case of brain tumors or epilepsy or mentally depressed persons, this occurs in the awakened stage also. Then theta waves, they shows the frequency in between 4 to 7 cycles per second. These are very common in children below 5 years of age group. And in adults, they are recorded during emotional stress time only. So by observing these waves, their frequency, we have to understand that when emotions and when stress is there, the regular pattern will change. So we should not get tension and emotional, and if we don't get stress. Choose a better lifestyle. Okay, so this is the method of observing the waves of EEG so that diagnose the disorders related to the brain. Okay, here you have one question. What is meant by epilepsy or seizures? Okay, thank you.